Are you interested in work from home remote job where you're not required to have a lot of experience or any particular or any specific qualification? And if you're located in India, here's a job opportunity for you. The salary range is up to 32,000 and this is simple data entry related kind of job. And here you're not required to have a lot of experience. Only 6 months to 1 year of experience as a virtual assistant will work. And this is 100% work from home opportunity and the salary range is up to 32,000. You'll be working at US work hours around 20 to 40 hours per week. Hi everyone, today's job lead is a 100% remote opportunity for people located in India. The company's name is Wing Assistant. It is hiring for personal assistant role in India. This is a 100% remote opportunity. If you talk about qualifications, here the company has only asked for 6 months to 1 year of experience as a virtual assistant. You should be at least 18 years of age and you have completed senior high school, so they're not asking for much of the so they're not asking for any specific qualification. Here you should have excellent phone, email, and instant messaging communication skills. You should have solid organizational and time management skills. You should be able to work on a graveyard shift. You should be tech savvy and familiar with current technologies like desktop sharing, cloud services, and VoIP. You should be experienced with word processing software and spreadsheets like MS Office. You should have knowledge of online calendars and scheduling like Google Calendar, and you should have proactive attitude and willingness to be trained. Here are the technical requirements. So because this is a remote work from home job, you should have a desktop computer or a laptop. So your main and backup computer should be at least 1.8 gigahertz processor with at least 4 GB RAM, and the main internet service speed should be at least 25 Mbps wired connection, and backup internet service speed should be at least 10 Mbps. You should have a working webcam and USB headset with noise cancellation feature. Here are the benefits mentioned. In addition to a 100% work from home opportunity, here you can expect getting performance incentives, job security and stability. You should be getting paid training, supportive team opportunities for career growth, fun work environment, and you should be having holiday and overtime pay. So whenever you work overtime, you will be paid. Here your working hours will be as per US working hours, 20 to 40 hours per week, and the salary ranges up to 32,000 per month. Now let's discuss about the duties or roles and responsibilities. As a personal assistant, you will be storing and organizing document and files. You will be doing data entry kind of work, preparing lead lists or meeting minutes, transcribing audio recordings, preparing payroll information, and organizing research notes. You need to do some research over products, purchase goods, and secure samples. You will be storing, updating, and collecting information for marketing and sales campaigns through a CRM system. You will be creating and sending statements or invoices, track payments, and record company expenses. You need to gather data on trends, industry best practices, and other publicly available information, and prepare reports on the findings. For example, comparative analysis. You need to monitor projects, conduct internal communication, and organize company data. You need to coordinate team calendars, prevent schedule conflicts, and ensure clients are on time and prepared for meetings. Additionally, you will be preparing itineraries, book hotels, rental cars, etc. And you will be conveying information to incoming calls and make calls for appointments or conduct informational inquiries. You need to reply to emails, follow up on correspondence, organize inbox as per client preferences, and notify clients about important emails and some ad hoc tasks. Now, if you get selected, you will be invited to take the assessment and scheduled for an interview. Only qualified candidates will be invited. If you have any of your friends or colleagues interested in these roles, you can send them referral links and earn up to 2000 if your referral is hired. If you're interested, you can apply from here. Here's the application form. So you can attach your resume here, provide your full name, email ID, phone number, current location, current company where you're working, if you are working at all, and here you can provide your LinkedIn profile's URL. Then who referred you to this position, enter their first and last name here. If you are a referral, you can provide the name here. Otherwise, you can leave it. And then website, blog, or portfolio. If you have any website, blog, or portfolio, you can provide the link here. Otherwise, you can leave the space. Then you can enter here desired salary range, and then what is your earliest start date, or when can you start? You can provide here. And then can you work on weekends? What experience level do you have for this position? How did you hear about us? And then are you currently employed or working on any projects? If you currently employed, what is your notice period? And then have you worked for wing assistant before? During what time of the day can you work? Wing assistants are enrolled in a screen monitoring program for quality assurance purposes. Are you okay with this arrangement? So you have to provide that. Are you open to helping clients with standard virtual assistants, admin tasks in addition to the specialized tasks associated with this role? Would you be willing to make phone calls on behalf of the client as needed if required? You will be uploading the information related to your internet connection and computers or laptop. You also need to upload a screenshot of your computer specifications and then additional information if any. And then submit your application from here. So that's it. So this is a great opportunity for people who are located in India and are looking for 100% remote work from home opportunity, and they are not having any kind of particular qualification or experience, but still they are looking for 100% remote job opportunity. So you can check out the details. You can work as a personal assistant from home and earn money. So yeah, go ahead and thank you for listening.